As always, if you want to support the channel, check out my book in the description below. We will soon take a look at a brand new van conversion builder. I recently visited this awesome shed, and we'll take a look at that, and a peek at an A-frame Airbnb rental out in the desert based on plan sets of mine that are also available in the description below. So as you can see, I make flower boxes or garden beds out of just about anything, reused material, but here's one in particular I wanted to share with you. Sorry I couldn't show the whole building process, but I wanted to share with you guys a simple flower box that I built with two really cruddy street side dresser drawers, or desk drawers, excuse me. Step one, get rid of the bottom. It's junk. Just punch it out. I actually save these. I do artwork on them. They're kind of nice little Luan smooth canvases, so reuse them if you can, but they're too thin to hold up for any amount of time when you put soil in here, so get rid of that piece. That's step one. I'll show you how I did it. One of them's right here. Here's the end of it. Other end here looks the same but facing the other way. Butted them together, screwed them together. I got to clip these screw heads off or use shorter screws next time. Just using what I got. So I bound those together. Because the edge of the board is kind of MDF junk, this is all made out of junk clearly, I capped these off with some scrap strips I had over here. This is where the two met, so there's this unsightly seam where they were screwed together. Wanted to hide that, and by putting this trim on, it gives the appearance of more structural rigidity and actually adds to the structure, ties things together. Had some scraps. I didn't like the seam, see right here in the middle, had some scraps, put them over it, painted it white, added some color, some pop, made it kind of modern, bizarre. This little like tarp grommet thing, like almost a Firestone large washer, added that, some scraps for the legs, and just a fun, stupid little project with junk. Granted, this thing, because the materials it's made from, isn't gonna last 10 seasons or so. So I built it for the fun of it. Someone's coming up to pick it up to buy it for 25 bucks. Just a cheapo, fun project. More a project designed to get this crap out of my yard. I had these desk drawers that I did not want anymore. I wanted to get rid of them. I figured why not build them into something instead of chucking them and share it with you guys. So again, very, very simple. Almost 3 feet long. And of course you could build it out of whatever dresser drawers or desk drawers you happen to find on the side of the road. They are plentiful. You see them all the time. So just an idea, simple short little video here for you guys, perhaps to inspire you with some roadside reuse garden related building. And that's all. Thank you for watching. As always, please subscribe, leave a comment down below, maybe some of your ideas. I'd love to see them. We can all learn from that as well, and we'll see you later.